In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move or organize sections in Google Forms. Google Forms is a versatile tool often used for surveys, quizzes, and various other data collection needs. However, as you craft these forms, organizing sections within them becomes crucial for clarity and flow. Imagine building a compelling and tidy structure that not only looks professional, but also enhances the participants' ease of use. That's exactly what we'll explore today. First, let's tackle getting into Google Forms. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Forms. Simply type Google Forms into the search bar and hit Enter. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice options to start a new form or choose from a template. If you aren't already logged into your Google account, you'll be prompted to do so to access your forms. Assuming you already have a form you are working on, open that one up. Just give it a click and it should load in an editable format. Now, with the form open, you can see all your questions and sections laid out. Let's dive into moving these sections around. You'll notice to the left of each section title, there's a small icon composed of 6 dots in a grid. Hover over this icon until your cursor becomes a cross arrow, indicating that the section can be moved. Click and hold this icon. This action allows you to drag and drop the section to a new position within your form. Once you have the section in your desired position, release the mouse button, and voila! The section is moved. Remember, it's sometimes helpful to plan out or sketch a quick map of your desired form structure before reorganizing, especially if it's a lengthy form. Beyond simply moving sections, you might want to double-check the flow of your form. Revisit how each section transition feels. Is it logical and easy to follow? This is key to maintaining the attention and engagement of those filling out the form. Additionally, if you need to add a new section, simply go to the point just above where you want the new section to appear. Click the Add Section button on the right side, and voila! A new section pops right in, ready for you to fill. Finally, familiarize yourself with the other formatting options available. Utilize the Preview button to see how your newly organized form will look to your respondents. Tweak as needed to ensure everything is seamless and intuitive. There you have it, a streamlined process to move and organize sections in Google Forms. Remember, the smoother and more intuitive your form is, the better your response rate will likely be. I hope this guide helps you create effective and well-organized forms that meet your needs. Happy form building!